Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated trucks of the year, the 2024 Ford F-150. Whether you're a Ford enthusiast or just curious about what this beast has to offer, stick around because we're about to break down everything you need to know. Alright, let's get started by talking about what's new for the 2024 model year. Ford has really stepped up its game with this one, offering a mix of power, innovation, and versatility that makes the F-150 stand out in a crowded market. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2024 F-150 features a bold, refreshed exterior that's both rugged and refined. The front grille has been redesigned with a more aggressive look, and the LED headlights have a sleeker, more modern appearance. The new body lines are not just for show. They improve aerodynamics and contribute to better fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the 2024 F-150 offers a range of powertrains to suit every need. Starting with the base 3.3-litre V6 engine, which delivers a solid 290 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque for those looking for more power. There's the 5.0-litre V8 engine producing 400 horsepower and 410 lb-ft torque. And let's not forget the hybrid option, a 3.5-litre Power Boost V6 that combines gas and electric power to deliver an impressive 430 horsepower and 570 lb-ft of torque. This hybrid variant is perfect for those who need a truck that's both powerful and efficient. Speaking of efficiency, Ford has continued to prioritize fuel economy across the F-150 lineup. The hybrid model, for example, offers an estimated 24 miles per gallon in the city and 24 on the highway. These numbers are impressive for a truck of this size and capability. Now, let's step inside the cabin. The interior of the 2024 F-150 is all about comfort, technology, and utility. The materials used are top-notch, giving the truck a premium feel. The layout is driver-focused, with all controls easily accessible. The available 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system is a standout feature, running the latest Sync 4 software. It's responsive, intuitive, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For those who need their truck to double as a mobile office, Ford has introduced some really clever features. The fold-out work surface is perfect for a laptop or even as a dining table. There's also the available interior work surface, which is essentially a flat table that extends from the center console. This is ideal for those long workdays on the road. Safety is another area where the 2024 F-150 excels. It comes standard with Ford's Copilot 360 suite of driver assist features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add even more advanced features like adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system, making it one of the safest trucks on the market. Now, let's talk about towing and payload capacities. The 2024 F-150 continues to lead the segment with impressive numbers. Depending on the configuration, the F-150 can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has a maximum payload capacity of 3,325 pounds. These capabilities make it a top choice for those who need a reliable workhorse. For the off-road enthusiasts, the F-150 offers the Tremor and Raptor models, designed to tackle the toughest terrains. The Tremor comes with enhanced suspension, skid plates, and off-road tires, while the Raptor takes it a step further with Fox Live valve, shocks, and a powerful 3.5-litre EcoBoost V6 engine. In conclusion, the 2024 Ford F-150 is a versatile, powerful, and innovative truck that sets a new benchmark in its class. Whether you need a reliable work truck, a comfortable daily driver, or an off-road beast, there's an F-150 for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. See you in the next video.